Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll move on to this one because I'm not able to project that PDF screen. So for this is just an introduction to neural network toolbox in MATLAB, and as you are aware that we have so many toolboxes that are available in MATLAB: signal processing toolbox, control system toolbox, and then image processing toolbox, neural network toolbox, fuzzy, statistics, machine learning toolbox, deep learning toolbox, and all those are statistical machine learning toolbox. So these are various toolboxes that are available in MATLAB, and then I'm going to focus on this neural network toolbox. And before moving into that neural network toolbox, and as you are aware that MATLAB is a high-level script language, and then we have so many library of functions and scripts here, and it is acting as a computing environment that combines numerical computations, graphics, and visualizations. And here, these are some of the information we want to know about this MATLAB. So in the command prompt, in the command window, after the command prompt, if you give info, it gives about the company, and then BER gives about the version of MATLAB what you are using, and what's new. It's going to tell you is what's new of the version, and the help will give you the detail of the function. So if I give a help sign SIN, it is going to tell us what is that sign function is and how that function is going to be in the in mathematics. And look for, in the command prompt, you can use that keyword look for, and then it will find out a function by giving some keyword. So say for example, if I'm going to give here as look for SUM, it will trace out what are that functions that are available with respect to that SUM. So it may give it will give you all that places where that SUM is being used, with which you can search for your own application or own thing where you have to really want to use it, and then which the location of the function in the systems where it actually locates. So look for tells you what are the different find out a function by giving some keyword. It helps us to find out a function, and then this which the location of the function where it is being actually used. It's a built-in function, or it is being used in some of the what is it, script files or EM files, and in that way this which is going to help you, the which command. So these are some of the commands with which you will come to know what is being what are the different functions that are being used, how the function is being defined, where we can use it, where that function is actually, and all those things.